Editorial don come outside again, my people. Make una no tire o. Those wey dey receive their comment section, na say una tire. I dey receive una comment in the comment section. Make una no tire. When two people dey quarrel, then third person go dey to carry fight. Our sister Editorial, she don come outside, reply to Ekeme with writing. She say she wan come out again. My writing for there, I tell her make she no come out. My beautiful sister Ekeme, you see wetin dis your sister talk so? Na wetin I first sense when dis matter just come up. She say no be because of peace na make you dey vex for her. He say peace can testify, say peace fit come out testify, but we no need her testify. Make everybody, make the matter go. Na we dey. He say peace can testify. Say when dem dey do her daughter birthday, he say you tell her say you dey vex for her. Then she apologize. It's like person wey drop me in the comment section wey tell me say you dey vex for her because you travel to Lagos, she never visit your children, that is why you dey vex. Everything just dey come out. Now, not say we the reactor when we go just talk. Not say we not just dey talk just ordinary ground. We dey look, we dey weigh the things. You understand? We dey weigh them because the first video I will try take the small screenshot. Me I drop am for this my video. When you say make dem leave your sister when God was good and when relationship good for una, and you tell us make we leave your sister, why can't you do the same thing? That is how I know say you and your sister Editorial, there is something behind it. Whether you dey vex for your sister or whether something or jealous. You know, we women, we full of jealousy. Yes. And your sister, he drop comment. I believe say you don't read them. He say her mom call you. You say you want to insult her mom. Her husband, e not good like that now. You don't see Editorial's sister, her junior sister. You don't say they come out, they still call you auntie. No matter what you do, no matter what you do for such, they still call you auntie. That respect is supposed to apply for your auntie. Yes. And this your auntie and your mom, my observing when I dey watch una for YouTube, I see say two of them love each other. I beg me una no go put some for beautiful sister when they suffer dey manage herself dey go. I beg my beautiful sister Ekeme, I beg me, they beg you. Wetin your sister write so? Me, I dey tell Editorial, no come out. God left for Dinah Ekweme. As this street hot reach, you see say she come out. We use her comment to talk. But for me, be doing you. People ain't go like you, go like. People no like you, they no still like you. By coming out, Ekeme do you want come out? This matter will never finish. For me, ignore Ekeme. Whether Ekeme dey jealous you or as you talk, oh, no be me talk Ekeme. Your sister say you dey jealous her, you dey heavy, everything dey there. She said she loves you so much, and she introduced you to social media, and she make your business start to dey boom. My beautiful sister, we all see am. You know I tell you today, say when you say if man na God, me and you for no dey. But anybody wey still do good for us, we should still learn how to appreciate that person or not to be that person for good. When we dey call God, our God is a jealousy God. If God no want make we serve any other God except him wey create heaven and earth, who give us the light, who give us the freedom to speak, who give us the freedom to get this breath freely. He's a jealous God. Talk of human being who God create with his own image. Now you know get jealous, or now you know tell you say appreciate me. But as your sister drop this comment, I feel touch. I really feel touch. Not be say I dey talk because today I watch your video, then I give you reply. I dey cook that time when I do that. Problem not too much for my people. We are not tired. As we started to carry this fight, we'll carry on till peace day. Me una not tired. Me una still tell our beautiful sister Ekeme. You really say person, if a person help you when you dey grow now, our happiness. But now try. Our parable will say go touch oil, lick am, so that may that your temper may come down. My beautiful sister Ekeme. Your sister mama, he call you. You say you want insult am. Your husband, everything dey there. I beg, me dey use Naija Daughter. You know me as Esther Family TV too, and you know me as Naija Daughter. I dey beg you, let peace reign. If you dey vex for your sister, comot am for one place, because first time when I first react to you, I tell you say no be this piston. Peace oh now you carry. I know say I fit tell you. Then you drop comment. You say whether Nelo and this and that. I see everything. Then I know say they really vex for your sister. Yes, with the social media, me personal Naija daughter, I dey beg you comot this matter for street. Carry this matter comot for street. No insult your aunty. As your junior one take dey call you aunty, aunty Ekeme, na una trigger this aunty Ekeme, na una do this, na una do this. I wan do video for that your sister. May I tell dem say na you bring the matter come from street. If you no bring the matter come country, nobody for know. But they still respect you, try to cover you with umbrella of love. Abeg, embrace that umbrella of love. Those your sister, they love you. You know, many of us, make we no go dey look say, they say pikin, if the pikin don dey chop wetin mama dey chop. No respect again. Maybe some of them may not be like say because of you don stand, you say who be editorial. Remember when you and this editorial, so first talk for your YouTube, for your channel. You say you stand for her. You no fit destroy am when she dey grow up. Why now? If you know say you no fit destroy am when she dey grow up, then that the same thing no destroy am for social media. Abeg, if you really claim say when una dey grow up, you no ever get bad belle for your sister, you no ever try to bring her down, you no ever plan evil against her, now no scatter her image. She say her little image when she still get, little name when she still get, make you no go spoil am for am. She wan come out, but me dey beg her now say make she no come out, because if you still come out, me go still come outside, because na my job. You dey see am, na my job. But me dey beg you now, my sister Ekeme, that jealous or heavy when we dey talk, no let am paint you, abeg. Now I know say I withdraw my word today. I say if I talk anything bad wey vex you, I withdraw am. But see this your sister comment today. In fact, abeg, let this matter die down. That love when two of una dey share before, make una start am again. Okay? No let your mama and editorial mama come dey get quarrel. Abeg. You know say anything when children involve, if your mother join the editorial, you go say you dey join outsider. But editorial no be outsider, na her mother too. But make una let peace. You, my beautiful sister Ekeme, I look as a wise woman, and I still looking like a trouble. People like you. Sorry, I've dropped my word. You pay me so now let them see me. My beautiful sister Ekeme, I beg. She said she don't beg you. Take her apology and move on. Leave her, okay? Leave her. I beg. People, I go drop the note make una about una self read am, because na her sister na talk am. E say UK don come out again, make video about her. Say the heaviness and the jealous is too much. No be me talk am o, na her sister, na she talk am. Yes. Then some commenter drop comment. Sandra say, please ignore her, my dear. You are a good person and God will fight for you. Have from Ekeme, my beautiful sister. You see am, people dey pray for you. They say make you leave her, make you ignore her. Say God will fight your battle. Don't fight your battle. Don't take your battle by yourself. This one say, please. This person say, I pray nothing happen to you, Edith. You and your family will be fine. Okay. Strong soldier get the hardest fight. Sometimes silent is not good, but this one silent is good. Now sister and sister, e don do, make she not come outside. Yes, make she not come outside. Let it go and move on. Yes, that is true. I'll see you in my next video, my beautiful people. I will drop Ekeme video when she for talk say make we leave her sister, and compare am with this one now. Make you see where we dey talk. No my mouth now for hear am.
You stay away from her family. If I stay away from my family, stay away, because if we know where you are, we will have traced you to your doorpost. Yes. You say Naboko Aram school. Which one have you put somebody? Which one have you put somebody? Please allow my family breathe fresh air. You see goodies this 2021 and 2022. Like that. We want to be breathing fresh air. If you cannot do something good for the family, please stay clear. I don't really know the particular language to use to describe those kind of people, because when I say self-centered people or traitors, there are so many names I would give to those kind of people who intrude in people's family, who intrude in people's houses. Now, I want to say something. When you stay, you sit down, you see a beautiful family moving, a wonderful family doing things. Instead of you to appreciate it, you would be looking for the downfall of people. You'll be looking for how to put words so that you will create one kind of enmity in somebody's own family.
My people, now this video na just watch finish, now they try to describe. I'll see you now in my next video. If she not really get bad beloved, the vet for her sister, now wetin she for still do with that.